grip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just break me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue, go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay, so I just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name? If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You gon' need somebody like me. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the gold days. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. Ooh, wait, I should get it like that. Ass fast and money like that. Girl, you don't need a partner for that. You gon' have a nigga partner for that. 187, I'm working out. Looking back at it when you're doing it back. You gon' be sad when I'm over your ass. Girl, you so nice to get it over your. Girl, take your time with it. All the time you need. I'm in no hurry. It's whatever, it's however you want it. Think of an adder on you, oh, how stunning. Yeah, we can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the goldies. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body like that. You gon' need somebody like that. You gon' need somebody like me. We can ride in the Bentley, ghost ride through the city on me. We can ride in the 88 cut, gon' swing with the gold days. Ooh, no, I got it like that. You gon' need somebody like that, with a big body into the mountain, all across the ocean, and there we go again. Walking in the streets, lost in new places, a million new faces, diving deeper in the world, riding on the road into the unknown, all on our own, until we settle down, warming our heart, finding new bones, trying to find a place we call home. They say enough is enough. It's time to head home to see the ones we love. Time to back again, to hit the road again. Memories all around, tears are flowing down. It's time to say goodbye to all these colors, flavors, cultures, and to jump on that train. It's true, I realize when my family's all around, I finally found the place I call home.
Change now.